I am going on a biking trip. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be a long biking trip, longest I've done on my new bike. I'll show it if I can. I'm going down my driveway right now. It's a Mongoose. It's a pretty good bike. Definitely better than my other one, which was like a kiddie Walmart bike. I know, big difference, a big jump between the two. Yeah, totally. Yeah. Yo, this place is kind of creepy, right?
I go past here all the fucking time.
Well, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so like I haven't really been recording on the trails that much because I don't know, I'm not good at like filming while driving my bike, but I'll show my bike. It's pretty good. Very nice bike. Better than my old one that broke like around a month ago. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try to get some footage while riding my bike, but Tristan's inside grabbing some drinks. I forgot to grab a mask, so. Okay, that's loud. But yeah, that's Tristan's bike, and yeah, I'm just, you know what I'm saying? I'm just forgot my mask, so I'm waiting for some drinks. So yeah, there's Tristan with the goods. All right, my bike doesn't have a kickstand, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. All right. Yeah, so we're just out here. There's Tristan. These are my drinks. I got a. Oh, well, isn't that great? I got a water.
And a Sprite.
And a Sprite that I pathetically. Probably will. Pathetically dropped on the floor. So yeah, take a little drink and we'll be back on the trails. All right, we're back on the trails. Tristan's blasting music. Yo, I'm gonna catch up to him. Yo, what's up, Tristan? I'm recording, dude. Yeah, I know. Yo, this place is crazy though. Yeah, you can hear the cars and stuff. Oh gosh. Oh, jeez. Oh gosh, this is weird. Dude, this is... Dang, dude, this is cool. You can even hear like the cars and stuff. So we got off the trails and now we're here at a skate park. Yo, wait, should I show? Alright. Bro, we got our McDonald's. It's mukbang time, dude. This dude, Tristan, so some dude passed by us and like honked his bell, or like rung his bell. Tristan was like, yo, who you ringing your bell at? The dude was like, shut the dude.
Not no more.
The guy was like, shut the.
That's $3. You have fucking 10, don't you?
The guy said, shut the up. And then Tristan was like, no, you shut up your fucking mouth. You little piece of shit. Dude, this dude was like a full-on boomer. I was scared. I was like, we gotta get our butts out of here. You just screamed at a dude. You can have a freaking energy sword or something. Assault right? I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Freaking fell, and here's our other friend. And we're going, I don't even know where we're going, I'm just following them. No, bro, what? Yeah, I am. Okay. I'm recording. Alright, wait, what are you gonna do? No! That's anticlimactic. Open it up. Open that up. I said open that up.
I got it.
I said open it up.